Okay, it's Arthur Mills, ArthurMills.
And you're a doctor of veterinary.
Yes.
And I just kind of wanted to get your reaction to the shooting out front in the parking lot last night.
Well, I hadn't even heard that there had been a shooting until you stopped in or asking us about it. Um, it always makes you a little more concerned and worried about safety for your staff and employees, your clients visiting and that. We've not really had any problems in the past of that. We've had other minor break-ins, but no shootings.
Okay. Has the bar produced any problems?
No.
Fights like that?
No, we've never had any problems with the bar, which has been nice. We were a little bit concerned when they first came in, but they've been a good neighbor.
Cool.